Apple AirPods Pro. All right, so as you can see, I have a few pairs here. I'm gonna be giving away one to one lucky winner. Okay, my producer is telling me 2. Okay, so I'm giving away 2 pairs to 2 lucky winners. If you want to find out how to win one of these, then stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll give simple instructions on what to do. It's really easy. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna bring the camera in closer and let's go ahead and unbox these. Let's see what the Pro is all about. Laters. All right, let's go ahead and open these up. Super excited. Okay, really quick, here's the back of the box in case you want to see that. It says AirPods Pro with wireless charging case, and yeah. Okay, it looks like the front designed by Apple in California. All good. And there they are. Let's pull this up. Looks like different tips for your ear. Okay, so there's a small S right there for small, and then an L for large. And then on the Pros themselves, it comes with medium already installed. All right, and here's your USB-C to lightning cable. And I don't think they're ever gonna go away from the lightning cable, honestly. I don't know why people are surprised, but I don't think so, ever. What? I'm loving this little egg shape. And here they are. What? Okay, here's a better look at them, and as you can see, there's a light pulsating. I'm guessing once I open the top, it's ready to be in pairing mode. And let's get a good look at that. Now these are way different than the first gen. Here's a quick pic. Okay, and here's a look at the back, and it has a pairing button right there for your non-iOS device. Otherwise, I believe you just open these and it'll go ahead and start to pair. There's the lightning port on the bottom. Okay, so that's what they look like. Now, what makes the Pros so special? Now with these, Apple is saying 24 hours of listening with multiple additional charges in the case. Up to 4.5 of consistent listening on one charge, and 1 hour of listening with only 5 minutes of charging. Active noise canceling, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, vent system for pressure equalization. I mean, these things are insane. Custom high execution Apple driver, dual beamforming microphones, inward facing microphone, dual optical sensors, motion detection accelerometer, speech detection accelerometer, force sensor. As far as controls, you press once to play, pause, or answer a phone call, press twice to skip forward, press 3 times to skip back. Press and hold between active noise and canceling and transparency mode. And you could also say, hey Siri, to do things like play songs, make a call, or get directions. So in conclusion, they actually sound pretty good. Now, I'm not really a Buds guy. Usually I wear over the ear headphones, like my Beats Studio 3, but these fit in my ear really well, like really snug. I switched the tip to a small and it goes right in my ear. I have small ears, and even with me shaking my head around, running, just every day doing stuff, they felt good. Very, very comfortable, more comfortable than the first gen. As you can see, these are in my ear right here, and I'm having absolutely no issues, and the sound is pretty good. But it is $250, so let me be clear about that. That's a lot of money for some Buds, but they sound good. I also like that these are small and compact. There are times where I take trips to LA. My wife and I, we always go to Vegas, and it's just an hour flight from where I'm at in Northern Cali. So it's pretty cool that I could just slip these in the change pocket of my jeans or just in the regular pocket. And I could just take my cell phone and that's it, and go on the plane, and I don't need to take a cumbersome case that will accommodate my Beats Studio 3s. Now I'm walking around with that big case. Now, when I'm working out or riding my Peloton bike or other stuff for an extended period of time, I do like the over-the-ear headphones. But these are a great, compact, small alternative. To be honest, I am gonna use them. They're actually very, very good. I was surprised with the sound quality. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting a lot less, but they're actually very good. I'm gonna pick 2 people, 2 lucky winners. I'll pick, just go ahead and comment in the comment section. I'm gonna randomly pick somebody. Make sure you reply back, because there have been times where I've done giveaways and I tell somebody in the comment section, hey, send me a DM on Twitter with your information, and then they never reply, and then I gotta pick somebody else. So make sure you pay attention, because I will pick somebody and I'll say DM me your information, and yeah, they're yours. So that's all you gotta do to enter the contest. Very simple, right? Right. Stay tuned. I'm also going to be doing some other unboxings and some other giveaways from Nomad. So watch out for that video. That should be coming either today or tomorrow, depending on when you watch this. So this contest for the AirPod Pros, it's going to run till probably Sunday or Monday, November 3rd or 4th, just depending. That way everyone has a chance to see the video. All right, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the little review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck to the 2 lucky winners, whoever that may be. Laters.